Good afternoon, and welcome to the Rough Hollow Yacht Club. We're here today to discuss the future of public safety on Lake Travis and across the Highland Lakes region. Imagine a world where every emergency, from wildfires to water rescues, is met with an immediate, intelligent response. This is the promise of intelligent infrastructure and drones as infrastructure, a paradigm shift we're working to deploy in collaboration with Legend Communities, the City of Lakeway, the Travis County Sheriff's Department, Lake Travis Fire and Rescue, Lakeway Police Department, Texas Department of Public Safety, the Texas Department of Transportation, the Lower Colorado River Authority, and other public safety agencies. This initiative creates a network of over 25 strategically placed drone zones around the Highland Lakes, including Lake Travis, Lakeway, Point Venture, Spicewood, and Volente. Each zone acts as a launchpad for Drone as a First Responder, DFR, ensuring a 24/7 rapid response capability that traditional manned assets just can't match. The power of drones as infrastructure. A DFR system isn't just about having drones. It's about having a network of autonomous drones and their docking stations that are ready to go at a moment's notice. These drones can be dispatched instantly from the regional ASOC, bypassing traffic and physical obstacles to arrive at a scene in a fraction of the time it would take a boat or police car. The docks, or drone zones, provide a secure, all-weather home for the drones, where they can recharge and be ready for their next mission. This creates a scalable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for agencies like the LCRA, who are responsible for patrolling the vast waterways and surrounding lands. This system is a force multiplier, allowing public safety agencies to put eyes on the scene immediately. It provides crucial situational awareness, allowing first responders to make informed decisions before they even arrive. A DFR example, a boat accident on Lake Travis. Let's walk through a real-world scenario to demonstrate the power of the system. A 911 call comes in. A boat accident on a remote part of Lake Travis, near mile marker 18 by the Point Venture area. The caller is frantic and can't provide exact coordinates. The nearest Travis County Sheriff's boat is over 20 minutes away. First, automated dispatch. As soon as the call is logged into the computer-aided dispatch system, the intelligent infrastructure automatically identifies the nearest drone zone. The system, leveraging real-time data from the 911 call and GPS, dispatches a DFR drone. Then, rapid response. The drone launches autonomously from its dock and flies directly to the scene. Since it doesn't have to navigate roads or slow-moving water traffic, it arrives in under 2 minutes, providing real-time intelligence. The drone immediately begins streaming high-definition and thermal video back to the command center and to the sheriff's boat en route. The drone's camera provides a bird's-eye view, showing the capsized boat and a victim struggling in the water. The command center dispatcher can then use this information to provide the exact GPS coordinates to the sheriff's boat, guiding them directly to the location. The drone can also provide valuable information about the victim's condition and any other potential dangers. Immediate aid. This particular drone is equipped with a payload delivery system. The command center operator activates the drop, and the drone releases an inflatable flotation device directly to the victim, helping them stay afloat until help arrives. The drone then uses its advanced GPS and hover capabilities to lock an exact position, acting as a visual beacon for the approaching boat crew. Another example is how the operational drone zones eliminate the potential of out-of-control wildfires. With solutions like Pano AI providing real-time wildfire detection, it allows drones to be dispatched immediately to determine if the smoke is a controlled burn or the start of a wildfire. The drone will provide exact GPS coordinates, detailed analysis of the area impacted, property in danger, and most importantly, the best access and fire department to deploy. With intelligent infrastructure in place, it provides a path for heavier lift drones that can drop fire retardants and other physical control systems. These examples illustrate how intelligent infrastructure and DFR don't replace our dedicated first responders. They empower them. They provide the critical information and immediate assistance needed to turn a potential tragedy into a successful rescue, ensuring the safety of our communities even in the most challenging of environments.